Imagine this scenario, guys. So, someone designs a vaccine to cure coronavirus. That vaccine, the next day, changes most of the population into zombies. What would you do to survive? I know what I'll do. I've already got the potato cannon. That would sort me out long range. People coming up the drive. But what about short range? So, I've been thinking, watching some Marvel films, getting inspired. What about Wolverine's claws? Wolverine's claws are awesome at close combat, and that is exactly what I'd need in this situation. The Wolverine claws are happening. So I need to get a rough idea of how long I want these things. I've sort of played around with this welding rod just to get a sort of idea of the length, and this is the best I've come up with. It's about 22 to 23 centimetres. That seems like a good length for claws. So now I've got the length. Next thing I think I'm going to do is make some kind of like cardboard template of what the actual claws are going to look like. Because I don't want to chop it out of metal, waste a load of time just to realise, no, that isn't going to work. So let's transfer this measurement, 23 centimetres, onto cardboard and cut some bits out. Right, so I've got my 3 cardboard cutouts now. Sort of a bit awkward to hold them in the place that I want them to, but once welded, they should hold well on them too. That is a good length, I believe, for what I want. So yeah, let's get cutting. Oh, hey! Got our first claw. Boom! So all I need to do now is make 5 more of these, pretty much identical. Once we've done that, start making it look a bit more like Wolverine's actual claws. But until then, yeah! Wolverine claws! Woohoo! They are all but done. So, pretty cool making these, not gonna lie. Had some good fun. As you will see in a minute, I'm going to test these out. See how much damage they can do. See if they can fend off some zombies. But yeah, they were good to make. The hardest bit really was just sort of like trying to tack weld it in place while I held it in my hand. That was a bit sketch. But other than that, we got some Wolverine claws. Hugh Jackman would be pleased. hope you enjoyed this Wolverine making claws video. If you did, please drop a comment below. And don't let this watermelon suffer and go in vain. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, yeah.